What up YouTube? My name is Jack Strunks, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a custom match in Fortnite. So let's get right into the video. Yo, we just hit 9,000 subscribers last night, so thank you so much. Road to 10K. If you guys want to be a part of the J Trunk family, all you guys gotta do is subscribe and turn on post notification. Let's get back to the video. Thank you so much. Alright, what up YouTube? So I think the best way to show you guys how to create a custom match is just basically get on Fortnite and do it as so. Alright, you want to open your Fortnite game. For this one I'm doing on PC, but I want to show you guys 3 ways to do it. One with with mouse key and keyboard, and the other one is with a PS4 controller, and the other one's gonna be an Xbox controller. Right, with the Xbox controller I'm just gonna use the PS4 controller, and I'm gonna pull up an Xbox button layout on Google, and I'll tell you guys the button to use, just in case you guys don't know which button to use, if that makes sense. Alright. Alright, so we're gonna wait till this game's gonna load here. Hopefully you guys having a great day so far. I'm having a great day. Channel just hit 9,000, so I'm happy about that. We're just gonna wait until load, and comment down below your favorite color. Mine is blue and purple, white and black. I have a lot of colors. I love red. Just red doesn't look good on me when I wear it. It just makes me look darker and give me the pink lips. And so I love wearing red, but it doesn't look good on me, so I guess I can't wear it as much as I wanted to, but it's all good. Anyways, we're in Fortnite. Alright, quick disclaimers, you can't create a custom match if you don't have custom access. And for you to have custom access, you need Epic's sending you an email. It's like, yo, you have custom access. Thank you for supporting the game. Thank you for being a support creator. Alright, you also need to be a support creator. Without being a support creator, there's no way for you to get custom access. Alright, in order for you to get support creator, I'm gonna leave a video somewhere on the top right, so you guys can check it out. You guys click on that when you guys need to get a support creator before you guys can create a custom match. All right. So for this example, we're gonna go on a Fortnite Battle Royale. All right. All right. My account right here. All right. For this example, let's say we're solo. We're gonna hit set. All right. Basically, if you're streaming or you're playing with your friends and you have a support creator with custom access, this is what you gotta do. If you're the streamer or the influencer or content creator, whatever, right? You want to hit the gear, and you want to make sure you go to this gear game icon right here. The second one, and whatever region you are doing. For me, I'm doing NA East because that's the region I'm in, right? So don't make it auto, because it's kind of hard to match a game like that way. So you will set it NA East and hit A to apply, because that's what it said here. And hit A to apply and go back. All right, so you got to make sure you're in the same matchmaking region. So you're the streamer. That's the example I'm doing. You're the streamer and you want to play solo. You got to tell everybody that you're playing solo, and go on to the bottom right, hit custom options. Right, you click on that, and for this, I believe you need at least 4 keys. So you can make your own key, or you can use your own support creator code, like the code that you use for the item shop, as your custom matchmaking key. For my understanding, you can make whatever you want as long as it's appropriate. All right, there's no cussing, there's no all that bad word. So for this example, I'm just gonna put pizza because I'm eating pizza tonight. So Pizza. After do that, you hit accept with the mouse. So, and for this to work, right, you gotta be the first one to start it, right? Since no one's in my lobby right now, you're gonna start it, then you tell everybody your code, right? And the reason why you want to do that, because you might not get a chance to start it if someone else is using that same code. So like, it's depending whoever started. But right now, for some reason, that code doesn't work. Like, you see you can queue, but there's no button for you to start game. So if I see that, and I know I was the one that started, I'm just gonna change the code because I don't know what else to do. So I'll change the code to, I don't know, let's put solo. Solo is gonna be the new code, right? You hit accept, you can start this game again. Until they give you the option to start game, you want to keep on doing this, alright? And it's not giving me the option, so I'll be back once to give me an option. Alright, so for some reason solo matchmaking does not work right now. For me anyways. So for this example, I'm using the dual game mode, and the key I used was player 1, PLAYER, and the number 1. Hit accept, you start the match, and you want to have this part right here that says start match. Alright, I'm going to start the match to show you guys I actually have my own custom access. Alright, so let's do that. But I don't understand why solo didn't work. So just guess you gotta mess around with it. As long as you have custom access, you should be able to do it. But for some reason, solo is just not working right now. I don't know why. All right, you see, there's only me right there on the top right. That's so weird. Anyways, that's basically it. I can end the game whenever I want. I'm in solo. Ooh. Can I die and still win? But that's not the point. That's basically how to do a custom matchmaking. How to create your own Fortnite custom match. Alright. Now this time I want to do it with a controller. Basically the same process. Hopefully I can speed up the process this way. Alright, so I'm on a controller. Like I said, alright. So just say I'm starting from, like, I just joined the lobby, right? You want to hit the option button, so you go to the settings, you want to hit the gear, right? You hit X, alright, and you want to hit R1 because you want to go to the next one. Make sure your matchmaking region is whatever you want it to be, alright? For me, for example, I'll hit NA East. Then later, once you go there, you hit triangle to apply, right? Hit apply, you hit circle to back up. You're back into this lobby. Alright, solo's not working, so we're gonna do duels again. So you hit, once we hit duels, you hit accept, and you want to go back square again. You want to hit the custom matchmaking key, right? For some reason, like I said, you want to basically type in your code. So okay, so I forgot I'm on the PC, so I can't type in the code, but it will have that, that text box that you can put in all the stuff that you wanted to. I have to do with keyboard. For this example, I'm going to use sushi. Why not? Then you hit square to accept, because after you type it in, you can't type it in because it's going to do it with the analog. You're going to press one by one. You hit sushi, you hit square to accept. Then it's done. You hit accept again on X. So square was accept for the custom matchmaking, right? Look, square was, once you're in here, you hit square to accept. Once you're on here, you hit X to accept. Bam, start the game, triangle. All right, you start the match again, hit triangle. That's how you do it with a PS4 controller. All right, and then hit triangle to start. Bam, done. All right, then later, the next one I'm going to show you guys with the Xbox. All right, I'm already out. I'm gonna leave this one too. Alright, Xbox. I don't know much about Xbox, but I can pull up the Xbox layout. Alright, that should not be hard. Xbox layout. I mean, almost everything is pretty similar. I could be so wrong. Alright, I'm gonna pull it up to the side so you guys can see my beautiful iconic skin here. Alright, so for this option, I'm using the PS4 controllers as the example, and I'm going to record everything with the Xbox controller. Alright, so what you want to do, you want to hit the start button on the Xbox controller. Alright, you want to hit the start button on the Xbox controller. You want to go to the gear. Instead of X, you want to press A, I believe. Yeah, you're going to press A because you're on the Xbox. You believe me, that's going to be the bottom button. So, right? Then, and again, you want to change the region. For this example, you want, instead of triangle, you're going to hit Y, the top yellow button. Alright, you can hit accept, hit apply, and then you're going to press B to go back. That's the red button. It's so hard because I don't look at this button. It's so weird. Alright, the layer, you want to go to, let's see, you want to hit X, the blue button right here. You want to hit X because it's square, so you can open this. Back to the lobby. For this sample, we're doing duels. You gotta hit accept, which is A. All right, you want to go back. You want to hit, which is L2. LT trigger, right? LT. You're gonna hit LT instead of L2. It's so weird. The layer, you're gonna push in all that magic stuff. All right, this one's gonna be magic. All right, this code's gonna be magic. And instead of hitting square to accept, you're gonna hit X to accept. All right. Then you can confirm this by hitting A to accept, which is the green button to accept when you're in this location. All right. That's so hard. The layer. Once you're ready, you're gonna hit Y, the yellow button, which is the triangle button on the PS4. Alright. It should work! Please work. Don't fail me now. Alright. It might be the words I'd be using for me to start the game, right? Alright, so this one doesn't work, so I'm gonna change it up. I'm just change it. I'm gonna go back to pizza. Because I want to finish this right here. You see this, when this start, it doesn't give me the option to start the game. You guys gotta keep on doing this until they give you the option to start a game, which sucks. Alright, how about, I'm just gonna do player 1 again, because that worked earlier. Which is so weird. Alright, hit play again. And this guy. Alright, see, that gave me the option, the fat yellow start button, it just showed up. Alright, thank you very much. Alright, for this Xbox example, instead of triangle on the PS4 button, you're gonna hit Y to start this game here. Bam. Done. Alright, you're welcome. For Nintendo Switch, I don't know. I don't have the controllers. I don't know the buttons layouts for that. With Xbox, I know a little bit, so that's why I can make a video for it. Alright? If you're on mobile and you want to start your own custom games, you basically do the same thing that I showed you guys on PC. Alright? Thank you very much. If you guys have any... Oh my god, that's so weird. Let me change it. Alright. If you guys have any other questions, feel free to leave it in the comments. Hopefully me or somebody else who are supporting this channel or like really helpful can answer your guys' questions. All right, that would be so great. Anyways, thank you for making all the way in. Comment down more custom games or more videos, or congrats Jack to 9K, something like that along the line. That'd be appreciated. Thank you so much for making it to the end. If you guys are new, subscribe to the channel, join the J-Trunk family, turn on that post notification, and just in case YouTube is broken and the notification is not working, all I gotta say is join my Discord or follow me on Twitter, right? I post on there whenever I go live, upload new videos, or any new updated things going on the channel. Thank you very much. Merch is on the way to 10K. Have a good idea what I want to do. My sister's on the work for it. Hopefully it's finished by 10K, and hopefully I get all the t-shirt pricing the way I wanted, because I messed it up. It was too overpriced and I would not even want to buy it. So I want to make sure the price is good before I let you guys know when it's ready. It's gonna be on Teespring. Thank you for watching. I see you guys next time. Peace out. Bye bye.